In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44 2025, step by step. Base44 is an AI-powered builder that turns clear instructions into working web apps. So we'll move from idea to publish in a smooth, practical flow. We start with your idea, write a clear prompt that explains what your app should do, who it's for, and how it should look. For example, you might say, a meal planner with shopping lists and pantry management in blue and white. Be specific about key features, the main screens you expect, and any data you want to track. If you're unsure, browse templates or tap the idea bubbles to spark direction. Add styling notes up front, colors, typography tone, or layout preferences, so the AI can set a consistent theme from the beginning. Next, generate the app by submitting your prompt. Click send and let the AI handle the coding. This fast. If you see anything off in the first draft, don't worry. Think of it as a strong starting point you'll refine. Keep your prompt focused and avoid long lists of unrelated features. You can add those in the next pass. Now, customize and refine. Use the AI chat to request precise changes like renaming buttons, adding a PDF export, or reorganizing navigation. The visual editor is where you polish the look. Tweak spacing, swap images, and adjust layout without touching code. For behavior, use states and conditions to control visibility and flow. Show a button only when a form is valid, hide sections for logged out users, or switch screens based on a selection. If you need extra power, add integrations and agents such as user authentication or messaging. After each change, preview to confirm it works as intended and keeps your UI consistent. Move into management and testing. The dashboard centralizes settings, analytics, and permissions so you can understand how people use your app and control who can access what. Assign roles like admin or standard user to keep things organized. Use preview mode to test user journeys end to end and run security scans to catch common issues early. It's a good idea to test on both desktop and mobile and try edge cases like empty states and long text. Finally, publish your app. Choose visibility. Keep it private, make it public with login, or open it to everyone without login. Publish and share the link, and your users can enjoy an app-like experience directly in their mobile browsers. That's the full flow with Base44, from prompt to publish. Ready to build your first app? Start with a clear idea, iterate quickly, and ship with confidence.